Alright guys, today on our 2004 BMW e46 325xi, we had a DISA valve go bad. It's not working. So we ordered up a new rebuild kit for this. Let's put it together and see how it goes. A couple things just to get this flap out right here. When I got to this, it already pushed the cover that goes right here off. So we just need to pull this pin out of the way. And let's see here. Everything in mine is like super loose, just because you can see where it broke. It's supposed to have another little dinghy on it and two little tabs that click into the flapper here. We're actually going to pull this arm just kind of up out of the way so you have some ease of access in here. The kit I bought came with a nice little just tie, so you can kind of get that out of the way. There, now that's out of the way, so when we install the new components, we can definitely just have free access in there. So on this side, I was lucky. This actually went out through the check engine light. That bank 2, I believe, was running lean right as I was pulling in my driveway. This is the piece that failed on mine. So I didn't have to worry about this pin didn't fall out or anything on this side. What I'm going to do, grab my little pliers. Just going to grab the pin. Just gently wiggle it out. And there you go. That's the one that you do not, under any circumstance, want falling in your manifold. I'm going to pull out the old valve, the old flapper, the old pin. I got to do a couple things. So the kit I got was from German Auto Solutions. I bought this, and it's going to be the solid pin that goes all the way through. Everything is made out of aluminum, and that's going to help prevent any future failures. The kit's pretty comprehensive, came with everything you need, from the Q-tips, so we can actually get our super lube everywhere it needs to go. Let's see here. I'm just going to put a little bit of that on the Q-tip. And there's a rubber seal in here that we just need to take our lube that up all around in there. And that's just going to help the new aluminum piece glide in the housing, so we don't have to worry about any of that, any binding or anything. So we're going to do that. Use the other clean side here. On our new piece, just want to get it right here on the shaft. This piece right here is what actually is going to go into the new flapper. Okay. So we're going to place this right in here. You can see there, note the orientation where we got the little indent right there, and that's just going to sit perfect right there. We turn it over, we can see it sticks straight out. You just want to stuff it back in just a little bit. We got our new aluminum dowel put in. Got it pushed back so we can put the flapper in. But a couple things we need to do first before we put the flapper in. We need to apply a little bit of Loctite to the threads in here and also to the threads of our pin. Comes with a supplied Loctite. Take the cap off. We're going to put it on our Q-tip to get the threads on the inside of the flapper. on this side. Right there's the threads. Got some Loctite in there. And also we actually want to put a little bit in here, just a slight film in this hex side too, to kind of seal the unit all as one piece. So now that we've done that, we're going to slide the flapper. See the side of the hole right there? That's the side we want to go in. Into that way. Sits very, very snug, which is nice. Let's double check the orientation of our pin, not our pin, our adjuster there. So I think we got everything in there pretty good. Now what we're going to do is we're going to apply a little bit of Loctite right here to the threads. I mean, we don't want to go crazy on this. So we got the Loctite on the threads, little tiny amount. All right, we already have on here is our lock washer. We want to make sure we have that, otherwise it will stick too far out the one side. Go ahead and slide that in. Use our 5mm Allen or hex socket here. You can start screwing that in. It's screwing into the flapper. All right. Now, just snug that down. Remember, you got the Loctite on there, so that's going to help do the rest. So we got that snug down. We got the lock washer on there. That baby's flush, just like the pin was, but the nice thing about it coming in the one side, this won't fail and it won't send shrapnel to your engine. Now that we got that there, let's untie our tie back here. We'll set pliers here to pull that up. Set it down on our valve. Set it down on our valve, and we need to put our little retaining clip on. There we go. Haha. Make sure it's pushed down. All right, that retention clip right there, so it's not going to slip off when so we got that retention clip back on. Put our cover piece back into place here. We got this side all buttoned up. Now all we need to do is replace our O-ring right here. Kit comes with a new O-ring. This one is factory molded in there, so we're just going to take a pick. Just kind of destroy it. Get it out piece by piece. Take your time getting that O-ring out and everything. We want to slide the new one over it. Just roll right in there. Alright guys, now we've successfully got that new flapper valve in our BMW e46 DISA. Now if you like what you saw here, give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and stay tuned for more.